Hello everyone, it's time for a Temu haul. I haven't done a Temu haul in a minute, so I'm very excited to get into this. I am actually partnering with Temu on this video and I have a discount code for you all. If you use this code on the screen, you will get a £100 coupon bundle. That's for new app users only. I'll have the link to the app in the description box. And I will also have the links to everything I've got in this parcel in the description box as well if you want to check those out. I can't even remember what I got, so I'm really excited to open this. As usual, I will have the prices of everything on the screen and link everything in the description. Let's get into it. That is what it looks like inside. I have a lot of stuff. Oh. Can you see that? The orange off the parcel has gone onto my hands. I think that's just from like ripping it open. I think some of the pigments came out and stained my hands. Oh well. So this first thing that fell out here, this is a builder gel. So I do my own gel nails and I like to stick on false nails using a builder gel. So then they stay on for a couple of weeks. I've already got a builder gel, but I thought I would try this one as well. This is what it looks like. And I'm pretty sure I just got the clear one. Let's open it up and have a look. Yeah, it's just the clear one. If you want a little nail tutorial, I will do that. Let me know in the comments. I've got some clothes in here, so let's have a look and see what I've got. Oh, that is cute. This is a little white creamy vest top kind of thing. This is going to be so nice for the winter because it's a little bit thicker. It doesn't really get too cold here where I live, so I didn't want like the whole sleeves and everything. The quality feels really good. It feels like a lovely material. I got this in a size small and it says it's 30% polyester, 70% viscose. I'm not sure what viscose is. If you wanted to know the materials, that's what it's made out of. But it is just a gorgeous quality and it looks really nice. It is going to be perfect for the winter. I really like the v-neck as well because I do usually like to layer my necklaces. I haven't today, but I do usually like to wear multiple necklaces, and with a v-neck you can then layer your necklaces down and it just looks really nice. Okay, the next thing I can see is, oh, a selfie light. I've been very excited for this. I've seen these go quite viral. I think it was last year and everyone was just raving about how bright they are. It's like a big white light. So I think I might actually try this for this video because it is getting dark outside. I don't know if you can tell, but the lighting's not really that great. I don't know if it has any charge. Wow, that is lighting. Whoa. I might actually clip that to the top of the camera so you can see everything better. Do you think? That is so bright. You can change the brightness as well, make it brighter. Whoa! Oh, you can change the type of light as well. White light, orange light, or a bit of both. This is amazing. It comes with a little mount as well, a little clip mount that you can put on it. So I think I'm gonna clip this on my camera and then we'll carry on the video with this light on. Because as I said, it's getting dark outside, so this is just perfect. Hold on. I think that lighting setup looks so much better. That is amazing. So yeah, we're gonna carry on the rest of the video with this light because why not? Next thing is come in a package like this. This is an ice cube tray, but it's to make circle ice cubes. Literally just made of plastic. I assume that you put the water into these little holes because there's no hose on the other side, so I'm assuming that the water goes in here. For some reason I thought it was going to be a more flexible mold so I'd be able to like pop them out, but it's like hard plastic, so I'm not sure how this is going to work, so we're going to test this out and we'll see. Next, oh, these are just some little spot patches. I'm sure you've seen these all over the internet. I suffer with spots around my jawline because I just keep touching my face around there so much. So I just thought I'd get some little spot patches. It says they have tea tree leaf oil in them, witch hazel, sodium hyaluronate. I don't know how to say that. I'm gonna test these out as well and hopefully these work. The next one has also came in a separate package. So let's have a look and see what this is. Oh, this is little individual eyelash extensions. So it's like do your own at-home eyelash extensions. So you put the bond on your lashes and then you put the little clusters on your lashes, and then you use a sealant on them and seal it up. So yeah, let's open this and have a look. Oh wow, okay. So it comes with a lot of eyelashes. Oh, look how many eyelashes are in there, and they're all different sizes. This is just some little tweezers. This must be to like pick up the lashes and put them onto your eye. It comes with a little comb on the other side. Here, this is the bond and the seal. So you'll put the bond on and then put the extension on and then put the seal on top. And then it also comes with this little spoolie and a brush. I'm not sure what the brush is for. I stopped getting eyelash extensions a while ago because it's just really expensive to upkeep them every single month. But I did really like having my eyelashes done, so I'm gonna try this out. I've been looking forward to this one. I have been seeing this kind of bag do the rounds on social media at the minute. Obviously, I just had to get one for myself because it is so cute. This is a little burgundy kind of like waffle texture. Is it called waffle texture? Like woven? I don't know. I've seen this all over social media, all over Pinterest, and I just thought it was a gorgeous looking bag, so I had to get one for myself. I really like the colour. It's very on trend for autumn, winter kind of vibes. That's what it looks like on the inside. There's nothing really going on in there. There's no pockets or anything. It's just one big bag. The zip is a really nice gold colour. I think once I've got stuff in here, it'll probably sit better, but I think that is really, really nice. I see leopard print. Let's have a look. Oh, I remember what this is. This is a long leopard print maxi skirt. I got a leopard print mini skirt in one of my recent hauls, and I just thought I don't really wear mini skirts. I'd rather have a long skirt, so I got a leopard print maxi skirt. And I got this in a size medium. I got a medium because it is stretchy, so I thought, I don't know, I thought I'd get a medium. It's a strange kind of not quite swimsuit but almost swimsuit material. I think I'm gonna really like this. This next thing has come in a box. It's glass. Oh, look how pretty that is. I really, really like that. That's so cute. I might have got another glass. I can't really remember. This one, I think, might be even prettier. Look at that. It's like a cute little martini glass, and it's got all these little like lumps around it. I don't know if it's focusing very well. It's got all these little lumpy bits on the outside of it. That is so cute. It's very short and stumpy, but it is really, really cute. They are very, very good quality. They're heavy, they're really nice glass, and yeah, I don't know why I got two different ones rather than like two of the same. And I never ever drink martinis, but I've got a martini glass now. These are cute. Okay. These look a lot like another brand's version of this shoe. I don't know if I can say what brand they look like, but they look a lot like it. How nice are these for winter? Just to wear around the house, or if you're just gonna like pop out for something. Like, they're so fluffy inside, and they've got this really nice pattern around the edges, and I just think these are gonna be so comfy. These are definitely like Christmassy shoes. Definitely. I'm gonna be wearing these all winter. Even though it's hot here and my feet are gonna be sweating, I'm gonna be wearing these all winter. These are so pretty. I got these in a size 43. I'm not sure why I got a 43. I'm sure I'm usually a size 40. Hold on, let me try these on. Oh no, they fit perfectly. They are so cute. Next. Ooh, this is the next thing I got. This is a brow tattoo thing, so you'll paint it on and then you peel it off and it like stains your brow, because my brows are really thin and just there's not really much to them. So I thought I'd get a little brow tattoo thing. You apply it, let it set, and then peel it off. I'm very excited to try this. I got this in shade number 2. Let's open it up and have a look. I might try some on the back of my hand. So we can test it together and see if it works. This is what it looks like. Let's put some on the back of my hand. It's quite a thick consistency. So I'm going to leave that there for a few minutes and then we'll peel it off and have a look and see what colour it's left underneath. I'm going to carry on with the haul and then we'll come back to this once it's dry. This next thing I got was just some little nail art brushes. I've been getting into doing my nails recently, so I picked up some nail art brushes. These are my first ever nail art brushes, so I'm very excited. It comes with some like really tiny thin ones, some slightly thicker ones, so a fan one. There's ones with little balls on the end. I'm not really sure exactly how to use them, but I'm definitely going to give them a go. This next thing, I totally forgot I'd ordered these. These are tarot cards. I used to be quite good at reading tarot cards, but I left my cards back in the UK and I don't know, I just didn't think to bring them back over. So I thought I would just get some tarot cards because I do kind of miss them sometimes. I do like looking at them every so often. So I thought I would pick up some more. That's what they look like. They just have, oh, some moons down the side. It says the Wise Spell Tarot is a modern and unique deck that appeals to story-eyed beginners and advanced practitioners alike. These gorgeous cards retain the meaning of traditional cards while turning the original images into aesthetic artworks. So it's basically saying that these have all the original cards in, they're just the images are different from the original deck. Well, I immediately just pulled out the devil, so that can't be a good sign. But anyway, this is what they all look like. I think they look really pretty. They're very aesthetically pleasing. So this is just kind of a random thing that I just enjoy. So yeah, I thought I'd just pick them up. We have one more thing in here and then I'll peel this off. This is another box. I bet it's another glass. Did I actually order another glass? So these are little trays to put your jewellery in. There's a reason behind why I've ordered all this, actually. I am actually starting a jewellery business, which I will talk about in another video, and I needed somewhere to display my jewellery nicely, so I thought what better to display jewellery on than like a nice cream velvet background. This is one of my pieces, and if I just squeeze that in there, how nice does that look on there? It looks so pretty. I also needed somewhere to store my jewellery because I was kind of storing all my jewellery in a little bowl and it was just scratching each other and stuff, so I just thought if I get some of these things, at least I'll have somewhere to store all my jewellery. So we've got one with just a load of these things to store your rings in. We've got another one with some more of these things but also a few compartments. This one is just full of compartments, and then this last one is loads of little compartments, so I would put like my earrings in here. I think this is ready to peel off now, so let's have a look. Oh, I've got the corner there. So that is what it looks like. That is actually really good. That's stained really nicely and I really like that colour as well. That's not budging now. So yeah, that is really cool. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed it. I totally forgot what I'd ordered and then it feels like Christmas. If I had to pick a favourite thing, it would either be my jewellery storage thing or these shoes, because these shoes are just so cozy and Christmassy and I love it. I've got my Halloween decorations up behind me, but I'm getting excited for Christmas already. Thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my channel again. As I said before, I have this discount code for a £100 coupon if you want to go and use that, and I will link everything down in the description, so be sure to check out the description box. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. If you've enjoyed watching this video and want to see more from me, then please click the subscribe button. It costs absolutely nothing to subscribe to my channel and I would appreciate it a lot. Let me know down in the comments which item was your favourite thing. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you want me to do another Temu video, or if there's any other videos you want me to do. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.